I find it very interesting that the president, when there was a shooting in Maponya Mall, kept quiet, said nothing. There was a raid that was done in Tlinega Maumel, uncovering these 2 billion that were stolen at Tembisa Hospital. President kept quiet, nothing. Then there was this outbreak that happened where abantwana bethu bebabulawa ukudla bakuthenge emaguleni. The first time it started, I think the first month eyakhona, president kept quiet, nothing. Then there was the issue of Operation Tutula, where they were going to hospitals and saying that they do not want illegal foreigners to get access to a Belela. The first time it started, president kept quiet, nothing. Then manje there's a video a president that is trending, and president is seen outside the house of Maumela. 3 days later, after that video started trending, now the president has something to say. The president is saying ukuthi laphayana naye bekazigijimela wamiswa uTibo Touch. Tibo Touch bekahamba with some pasta, and they asked for a picture, and then they recorded a video, and it just so happens ukuthi laba mise khona, it was next to the house of Maumela. At the time, the president says he didn't know, he had no idea. But kuko konke ukubi okwenzeka eSouth Africa, it takes time for the president to react or to respond. But a trending video, a president walking, not even inside the house, just walking past the house Yaga Maumela. It doesn't even take a week for the president to speak about it.